Kia, and with divine elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So a few weeks ago, or actually a few months ago, in one of my Facebook groups, someone asked for advice and tips on how to decorate the top of the refrigerator. And I thought, this may be something that my YouTube subscribers would be interested in. I wrote a blog post about it, and I also posted pictures from some of the people that left examples of what they did. So I thought, hey, let's go ahead and let my YouTube subscribers see and get some ideas. So the first one is from Celeste Alexander. She is an interior designer, and she also has a design magazine called Curated Corners and Quarters. And what I will do is link her website in the comment section below. But I call her top of refrigerator full of art because she is definitely utilizing the space. She has artwork there. She has a beautiful vase and a vase and a beautiful picture. So I actually love it. It's very creative and the colors pop, and it just goes with the aesthetics and everything in the kitchen. So I do love that. The next one, I say it's called Let's Sip Some Tea. And I love the little red tea kettle and then all of the flowers and everything she has there. So it's very creative. It's very ornate and useful, and I think it's very beautiful. So the next one I said, it's actually functional decor. She has things that she used, her bread box, there's a cake plate, and then also some little potted plant. So it works good. It's not over cluttered, and it's actually, you know, very beautiful to look at. When life gives you lemonade or life gives you lemons, use them to decorate. And that's exactly what she did. So I call this lemonade style. She has her lemons in a bowl, the little lemon vine, and then kitchen, and then also her little kitchen plaque. So I think that's very beautiful. This next one I called When in Paris. So she has her Eiffel Tower, her beautiful red flowers, and then some decorative books. So that's very creative, and it looks wonderful. The next one, I say it's basically simple and clean. It's not a lot of clutter. It's beautiful. She has her, you know, the orchids and then also the little cafe sign. So it's nice and clean, and it's beautiful. The kitchen is closed. That's a saying in my house. So this next one is good night. And in my home, when the kitchen is closed, that's it. No more eating, no more snacks. If you have a dish, you're going to have to wash it because that's it. The kitchen is closed. So I hope you got some ideas of creative ways that you can decorate the top of your refrigerator. I know some people just use the top of their refrigerator for their bread or their cereal boxes. And that's fine if that's what you want. But if you want to just go ahead and utilize that horizontal space for decor, hey, it's your home. Feel free to do it. Everything should have meaning and purpose. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas or questions, leave it in the comment section below. We can just go ahead and just continue the conversation there. So please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and have a divine day. Goodbye.